There you go.
In
Shit. Holy.
Oh, shit.
Illegal
receiver downfield. Jesus Christ.
Perry.
That's a bullshit call.
Please never mind that. My dad and grandpa are watching the Super Bowl.
Look, the guy, my God, the guy even took a step backwards.
That's such a garbage call.
Wow.
Tonight we're drawing Spidops from the new game Scarlet and Violet. Recognized as the evolved form from Tarantula, a Pokemon that I'll draw real soon.
So many times you see run away. The difference with this and the success the Giants have had with previous, see what the job Marcus Lawrence does, setting an edge on the defense. Make Daniel Jones pull up. Don't let him continue to get out by the numbers or get out by the sidelines to extend these rollouts. Giants already field goal range. Don't want to go back much further.
There we are.
65 versus Gates. Right center. What flutter play.
They weren't set. They were having trouble getting lined up. Then Daniel Jones started the motion before the receiver ended up getting set on the end of the line. Got to imagine Dallas will try to accept this penalty, make it a longer field goal, or just let him kick it from here. Well, now they're going to do intentional grounding.
Oh my God.
Whitehead just...
Jesus. Take him out of goddamn field goal line.
Here we are. Now next up, we have to draw his spider thighs here.
Scott Novak still talking over this crew. The line of scrimmage here was the 29. There are 2 fouls both against the offense. Legal shift.
Oh boy. Oh my God. Ah, for Christ's sakes.
See Daniel Jones, he's clearly inside the pocket.
There we are.
He just sails this ball out of bounds to nobody in particular. That was the conversation that led to that late intentional grounding flag. That was pretty obvious. Yeah, Mike Pereira says it's the right call, and boy, this drive looks so promising. Obviously, after the stop on 4th down, they had a touchdown called back because of the penalty, and now it's a 57-yard attempt from Graham Gano.
That was a bullshit call on it. Man downfield.
Good.
There. That is how you draw Spidops. One of the mechanical Pokemon from, well, one of the... one of the new Pokemon from Scarlet and Violet.
This guy goes ballistic.
It's been a while since we had a coach that did that.
This guy goes crazy.
There he is. That is how you draw Spidops. That takes care of that. There is a lot more. There's a lot more from the Paldea region that I must draw up. Relax, folks. I'm gonna draw them all. I promise.